In our industry, it's been very difficult to get people to come back to work, especially in housekeeping. We're finding issues being able to service all the rooms.
Due to the staffing shortage of housekeepers in the hotel industry, the rooms are getting dirtier.
I usually travel about 40 to 50% of the year. I'm more cautious of trying to find hotels that do a better job of deep cleaning.
The reason Steri-Clean is even involved is because the hotels are reaching out to us after receiving so many bad reviews about their cleanliness. Steri-Clean is a nationwide cleaning franchise that specializes in extreme cleaning needs, everything from crime scene cleanup to hoarding cleanup, tear gas, meth labs, and in this situation, helping hotels do the deep cleaning that they just cannot do because they're so understaffed. Steri-Clean's goal is to clean as many rooms as we can for these hotels, which typically is around 20. If we can get to 20 a day, we can get an entire hotel cleaned up within a week or more. A guest's first impression of a hotel is going to be the lobby because that's the first place they enter. So that lobby has to be cleaned. That's what we're focusing on today first, is we're gonna clean this lobby. We're gonna focus on the floors, all of the furniture. We're gonna make sure it is spotless. We're gonna be doing windows, even up on the walls, cleaning clocks and the chandeliers. We want that first impression for these customers to be absolutely amazing. When a guest walks into a hotel room, within 30 seconds, 80% of them form an opinion on how clean that room is. So it's imperative that the surfaces and everything you see just from walking in a room are clean. Steri-Clean brings in tools and equipment that housekeeping staff just doesn't have. Things like motor scrubbers, our flare air quality monitor. We also have things like ATP monitors, and those things measure adenosine triphosphate, which is basically looking for cellular activity on surfaces. So not only are we going to clean, but we're actually going to measure the level of clean when we're done to assure that there's nothing on these countertops and sinks that's going to make someone sick. Repairs in a hotel room are very important. If we clean a room and people come in and still see damage to the furniture or the bed or the curtains, that room feels dirty. Not only are we finding damage, we're finding things that are absolutely dangerous to guests. We're finding electrical covers that are missing with exposed wires. We're finding smoke detectors that are covered with plastic from guests smoking. There's things in there that could create a potential lawsuit and cost the hotel a lot of money. And they're truly not aware of these things. It's not like they're avoiding them, they just haven't seen them. When Steri-Clean is done, we're gonna grade every room before we clean it, after we clean it, have photographic evidence of everything that we find, and a report on any damage in the room. With the deep cleaning that Steri-Clean provides, it allows housekeeping to do the bare minimum for much longer, and the room still appears clean.
Steri-Clean can help you keep your hotel clean, safe, and sanitized. Give us a call 7 days a week at 888-577-7206.